Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Animatrix, where we turn ordinary designs into extraordinary creations. Today, I'll show you how to master the text squeeze effect in Adobe Illustrator. This dynamic effect can transform plain text into eye-catching visuals, perfect for logos, posters, or social media graphics. Let's get started. And that's how you master the text squeeze effect in Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out in your own projects. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Creative Animatrix for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.